It's caused by sanitizer. Stick around, I'll show you why. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video to give you guys a bit of insight. I questioned a few people out there about my Fermentasaurus. The little white, I'll show you. This is what I'm getting at. I'll just turn the light on. So this is what I'm talking about. If you have a look at that, you can see the little white staining, I guess, on the plastic of the actual Fermentasaurus base or plug or whatever they call that. I really don't know. It's a tapered plug. But anyway, my question online was, how does that happen? And I could not figure it out. For ages, I couldn't figure it out. But it turns out what it is, and thanks to you guys out there, what happens is when you put sanitizer in these, what I was doing, I was thinking, because people are saying that sanitizer is causing the problem because of the acid in the sanitizer. It was actually eating away at the surface. So it's actually not harmful, but I thought, no, I dilute my sanitizer first. I don't put in there, so that can't be the problem. I was wrong. So what was happening is I was pouring cold water in here, just plain cold water, filling it up to about 10 litres, and then getting my Stellar Sand, which I get from Firkin Cellars. Hi guys. My Stellar Sand, I get my Stellar Sand and I pour it in the top here, which is about, for 10 litres, 15 mil. So what was happening is the Stellar Sand was dropping in the top and drifting to the bottom, just slowly, and then sitting there. Before I go back and get a spoon and everything else, it's already sitting on the plug. And that was what was happening. So when I stirred it, it started to dilute and it was okay. But before that, it was already causing this problem. I've done it a few times. Now I know what it is, and I hope this helps you lot. So basically, it's caused by Stellar Sand.